In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your email and phone number for accuracy in eBay settings, resend the verification code, and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter along the way. It's crucial to ensure that your eBay account settings are correct, as this will help you receive important notifications and maintain smooth operations for both buying and selling. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure that your email address and phone number are correct in your eBay settings. Open your web browser and navigate to the eBay website. Once logged in, go to the top of the screen and look for My eBay. Click on it and then select Account from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Personal Information. Click on it to access your contact details. Carefully review your email address and phone number listed there. If you notice any errors or discrepancies, make sure to update them immediately. This step is fundamental because incorrect details can prevent you from receiving critical messages from eBay. Now, if you've ever had trouble logging in and needed to receive a verification code, you know how frustrating it can be if it doesn't come through. So if you're still waiting on that code, let's go back to the eBay login screen. Here, you should see an option to resend the verification code. Go ahead and click on this button. Often, reasons such as temporary network glitches or server delays might cause the first attempt to fail, so resending the code usually does the trick. Sometimes, however, the problem might stem from your web browser. Browser caches are known to hold onto old data that can interfere with your current tasks. To clear these caches, look for the History or Settings menu in your browser and find the option to clear browsing data or cookies. If you're not sure how to do this, it's a quick search away, as each browser has a slightly unique method. Alternatively, try switching to a different browser or even a different device altogether. This can sometimes bypass the issue entirely. Another possible culprit could be a VPN or firewall. While these tools are excellent for security, they can sometimes block or delay messages. Temporarily disable them and see if the verification code arrives. Make sure you turn them back on afterward to keep your online activities secure. If you've tried all these steps and the problem still persists, it's time to reach out to eBay support. Go back to the eBay site and scroll to the very bottom where it says Help and Contact. From there, you can choose the best way to contact the support team. Their agents are equipped to handle these technical issues and can offer solutions tailored to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to ensure your eBay settings are up to date and troubleshoot any communication issues efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in keeping your eBay experience smooth and secure.